Students, welcome back to your online classes. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, triangles and its properties. Before entering into today's class, first let us recall some basic terms: line segment, vertices, sides and angles. Line segment is a line which has two end points. If any line having starting and ending point, we can say it as a line segment. Next, vertices. Vertices is a point. If you place a dot anywhere, we will usually say point. In geometrical ideas, we will say it as vertex. Next, side. A line segment which is joining of two points. In any figure, if a line segment joining two points, we can say it as a side. I repeat, a line segment which is joining of two points. In any figure, if a line segment joining two end points, we can say it's a side of a figure. Next, angle. Angle can be marked at the meeting of two sides, that is two line segment. In a figure, we can say the point is vertex and then the line segment with two end point is side, and meeting of two or more side, there will be an angle. Line segment having end point. If we extend that end point on both sides, that become a line. These are the basic terms for the geometrical ideas. Now, triangle. It is a simple closed curve made up of three line segments. Using three line segments, we can make a triangle. Do you know any other figure having three sides? No. Only the triangle will have three sides. It is a closed figure. We can say closed curve. Simple closed curve. It has three vertices, that is 3 points, 3 side line segment and 3 angles. 3 vertices, 3 side and 3 angle. Now let us clear this with an figure. Here A, B, C. Top A and the base B and C. What are the vertices? What are the joining point? A, B, C. These 3 points making a figure by joining the line segment. A, B, C is a vertex. Side. Already I said side is a joining of 2 points. Here A, B, C are vertices. First, A, B is joining using a line segment. So, AB is a side, BC is another side and then CA. Vertices A, B, C. Using that, there is forming a line segment AB, BC and CA. What is meant by angle? Yes, meeting of any two sides, there will be an angle. Here ABC. AB is a line segment, that is side. BC is another side. AB is a side, BC is another side. AB and BC meeting at the B. AB and BC meeting at B. we can say angle ABC, starting A, meeting point B and ending C. So we have to write ABC. In this, B is an angle. Middle term is the angle. A is the starting, C is the ending. What are the another angle? BAC. Start from B, meeting at A and ending C. BAC. At last, BCA. Start from B, going to A, meeting C. ABC, BCA and then ABC. I repeat, ABC, BAC, then BCA. Here, blue color letters are angles. Red color AC are starting and ending point. ABC, in that B is an angle. Now, I hope you could understand the terms line segment, side, angle and vertices. Now, types of angles. Already you learned angle concept from your 5th standard. Here, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, one more reflex angle. First, right angle is a 90 degree. Right angle is 90 degree. Less than right angle is an acute. More than 90 degree is an obtuse. Next, 180 degree, that is a straight angle. More than 180 degree is a reflex angle. 90 degree right angle, less than 90 acute, more than 90 obtuse. 180 degree straight angle, more than 180 degree. After the straight angle, if it is moved further, it will come below and form a reflex angle. Next, types of triangles. Here we can classify the triangle based on side and angle. Side represent length of the side. First, based on side, you are having 3 types of triangle: scalene, isosceles, equilateral. Scalene, isosceles, equilateral. Equilateral having all the 3 sides are equal. Equilateral having all the 3 sides are of equal length. In isosceles, any 2 sides length will be equal. But in scalene, all are different length of side. Equilateral having 3 equal sides, that is 3 sides having equal length. Isosceles, any 2 sides will be equal. But in scalene, all the sides will be different. Clear? Equilateral, all 3 sides are equal. Isosceles, any 2 sides to be equal. Scalene, all the sides are different. It will describe using length of the triangle. Length of the sides in a triangle. Next, based on angles. In a triangle, interior angles are less than 90 degree. We can say it as acute angled triangle. Acute angled triangle. If one of the angle is 90 degree, we can say right angle triangle. All the angles are less than 90. We can say that is a acute angled triangle. If any one of the angle is 90 degree, we can call right angle triangle. If more than 90 degree, it means that obtuse angle triangle. 6 types of triangle you are having: equilateral, isosceles, scalene, acute angled, right angled and obtuse angled triangles. Using this, here we are going to do two sums. In this, you are having the side 5 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 8. Here you want to describe using based on side and angle. Clearly you can find two sides having same 8 centimeter. If two sides are equal, that triangle will be a isosceles triangle. And then all the angles are less than 90 degree. So your answer, acute angled triangle. Two sides are equal, that is isosceles triangle. All the angles are less than 90 degree, that is acute angle. So your triangle is acute angled triangle. One more sum, 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter. Clearly you can find all the sides are different. What is the name of the triangle? Yeah, scalene triangle. Now look at the angle. Here they are giving only one angle, that is 90 degree. 90 degree is a right angled triangle. Here two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. All the angles are less than 90, acute angled triangle. Here one is 90 degree, so your triangle is right angle triangle, but all the sides are different. We can conclude that scalene triangle. Today we have seen line segment, vertices, side, angles. Using that triangle definition, after we have written vertices, side, angles for the triangle. After that, we learnt types of angles, types of triangle based on side and then based on angle. Recall once again all the concept. If you are having any doubt, clarify a doubt through your class teacher. Do the given sums and send it to your WhatsApp group. Thank you, students.